Hey, Suze, here we go. I need a wrencher. We need a wrencher. Look at this.
Yeah, there's one school here. You can drag it around. You can see here. Very nice one. Very nice. Go ahead. You're welcome. Take as many pictures as whatever you want. Went over, around here, went down here, went straight across, all the way at the top, all the way around to there. Oh, shit. All the way across here. Okay, now you got there. Now you got there. Yeah, now I'm back to here. And I was at the house, so now I'm coming down here. So this is a continuous loop. Huh? It's a continuous loop. I can run 2 trains at one time on the main and then run switchers and gauge them by myself. So that's one thing I really liked about it. This coming off here, these switches will come off here and eventually come across, and there'll be an industrial area here.
Hopefully nothing goes wrong with the furnace.
Well, furnace is wide open.
Or the water heater.
Furnace, yeah. No, seriously, I'll come in here to here, and it's all just the industrial area like here. The only thing, the water heater, and I have this set up so I can just take a couple screws out and this all this out. I designed it so I can do that.
I didn't even notice the water heater.
Yep.
Okay, JMR had a glitch. There should be an O on there.
JR monitors on here. Never do it right now until I can terminate everything. Oh, wow. That's good. It didn't work. That's good. That didn't fall. Well, zero on that, and do everything zero on that. Okay, that's about like somebody was Now, do you have one for track 12?
Yes. 10, 11, and 12.
lines. What button would you touch?
Coming down 2 blocks down here. Well, I'll find it sooner or later.
Yeah,
It's not laying on its side somewhere.
He's highballing.
Yeah, boy.
26
Yeah. And gear on that track, it's a goner.
It's here.
What is?
It's in the wire cloth building.
You want?
Oh, we're on the wrong track.
Oh, no. I'll come back to